then we can pay using Bitcoin to them. So it's a good start for us, and the government is going to see like how it will be in future. So if it has a good people who invest in Bitcoin, then it would be good, and it will be taken as a currency. Maybe it can take the place of the currency and replace the government, which, like, if we transfer money to someone, if I'm transferring money to someone, then government has a record of it. Government is acting like a third party over there. But in Bitcoin, there is no such a third party who can record our transfers. I think so. It will be good if there's no third party here.
It's true. It's true.
Sir, like as Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, what they do is like crypto means encrypted. For every transaction you make, they develop an encrypted key, sir. So what happens is like it's your like more security you'll get it, and the others like a user using would have more privacy, and it's like cryptocurrency. It's like developing now at stage, but in US they use like blockchain technology for cryptocurrency, sir. But India maybe India many people don't support it because as it is a decentralized way, so it's like completely user friendly and it depends on the user. So it's like you're not giving data to others. Simply.
Great. Yeah.
So that's the problem. So maybe it can be used in bad ways also. At present, if for example, if you see like hackers use Bitcoin currencies, hackers use their transactions all completely in Bitcoins only.
Yeah.
Maybe so that's the problem of that.
But what I think is, if government make it legalized, then there may be some measures taken by the government so that there is no illegal process with this Bitcoin transactions.
Government can make it legalized, sir, but it requires a lot of what we call technology, and we have very few people who know about Bitcoin and use in India. Well, like many developers are coming and many people are like offering blockchain technology of this, but it's like starting stage in India, so it's like experimental. So government cannot invest directly experimental. Like if you see at present, recently, our Prime Minister Modi had launched e-rupee UPI payments, like digital currency all over India. It's like it runs on UPI, but it's not like we cannot start as UPI is so successful with Google Pay, BM UPI, Bharat UPI, so all this stuff. But Bitcoin currency is like it's experimental, and first we should see.
So what I wanted to say is, like, 10 years before, no one knows, like, most of the people don't know about the digital currency right now, which is with the Chaiwala also. Chaiwala is also accepting Paytm right now, so he's educated in that way. If Bitcoin will come, then people will educate themselves like they have educated for the digital currency. So this is the thing I thought, sir.
Yeah. Great. Great.
Yes, sir. What you're saying also correct, sir. Yeah, we should educate people, but they have many side effects also and experimental. But we are coming like there are many developers are coming, sir, and it has main disadvantage like the encrypted key which they make. It's not like it's so private that others cannot access. Even the government can't access the private encrypted private key. So that's the most probably it's like the problem for RBI.
Yeah. So do you feel that both of you feel that this Bitcoin or digital currency is going to overtake or all the problems and overcome all the problems of currency today what we are facing?
Yes, sir, absolutely. It will overcome, sir, because the more privacy and the more data stealing is not happening, so it will be so helpful to the people who are using Bitcoin currency, cryptocurrency also. So that will be more useful for the users mainly.
Sharanya.
I think may or may not take, like, for example, if we look at the problems, then which people are facing due to the this financial problems which people are facing, like we will think some way, time we'll think that, okay, government is like, it's only printing the government is printing the notes, so why can't it print and share with share the money with every person and end the problems, financial problems of the person. If we may think like that, but sometimes like if everybody is having one lakh rupee and they may end the financial problems with that. But what if, like for example, if we have a potato and potato costs now it's 1 lakh rupee. If we think like that, and everybody is having one lakh rupees, and you pay 1 lakh rupee and take the potato. But what if everybody is having 1 lakh rupee? The value of potato will increase.
Exactly.
So the financial problems will never end, and it may or may not take the value like the currency having now. Now the currency which we are having, it may or may not take, because Bitcoin. If a village people, like we see village people, then they are not educated with this digital transaction. They now also they use money only. So Bitcoin may or may not take, I think, in that way. So
Yeah.
like it
Anirudh,
depends. It depends.
Yes, sir.
Anirudh,
What you said is correct, but for every people, if you give 1 lakh, the money value decreases, na, sir. The value of the money or the
Value will increase,
value.
but product value will increase.
yeah.
Yes, no, sir. If
Uh,
you give for 1 rupee, or that's it. If you give for everyone like 1 lakh, so that's what the government does, sir.
yeah,
So
it's
it
rational.
can
It's
give,
rational.
yeah, it can give for everyone 1 lakh, 1 crore, but the money value decreases, na, sir.
So nobody
That's,
works, and nobody would be the
yeah,
driver, nobody would be the teacher, nobody would be the any other professional. If money is there everywhere, nobody works for anything.
yes, sir.
You can't study, I can't work, nothing. It stagnates. The entire world gets stagnated. So
So,
of
but
course,
what I conclude is that like cryptocurrency should come in India, should start, but it has its side effects also. Some measures to be should be taken, and people should start encouraging blockchain technologies.
yes, yes.
That's
Yeah,
what I.
Sharanya, is it the conclusion?
Same thing, sir. People should experiment with it. If they find it's good, then they should go for it.
Okay, okay, right, right. Then, okay. So this is about again Bitcoin, so cryptocurrency. Let us hope it would be useful for betterment of the world. Thank you, both of you, Sharanya and Mr. Anirudh.